I'm going to be reviewing this week's homework packet. So you'll need to get this week's out of the bag. And we're going to be going over May. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to be going over learning packet May 11 through 15. I'm going to take it out of the packet here. So if you're a week ahead of everybody else, that is okay. So sight word coloring, you can see this is Mother's Day because we are a week ahead. Mother's Day is on a Sunday. So we have a couple more weeks. We'll be doing something in art. So you know how to do this. You know how to do this. This is a chimp, gopher. That one's going to be the, remember, P-H. Gopher, elephant, P-H. P-H says the F sound. Third, and whiskers. Okay, we're going to be graphing our school supplies. So what I suggest is we're going to pick a color. So I'm going to do scissors in red. So I'm going to circle all the scissors in red, or you can color them. Coloring is faster, I think, so I'm going to do red. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to color the box. 4 boxes for scissors. I'm making a graph. Remember, this is called a bar graph. Now I need to do a notebook. I'm going to get a different color. Notebook, I'm going to do green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I color them. Okay, you're going to go ahead and finish on your own. You're going to answer the questions. Which has the most? Copy the word. Which has the least? Remember, least means small. Most means large. How many scissors are there? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a number. Which has more? Glue or notebooks? So when you finish, you will compare the glue and the notebook and write the word. Cause and effect. So we have to find out what happens. That's over here. And what is this? So the kids are inside and it's raining. And you see a picnic basket here. So here is, it started to rain, so they had to go inside. Cause and effect. Find the match. You do not have to color. Just cut and paste the correct picture. Okay, here you're going to cut and paste. Is it a question mark or a period? I see the fat rat. I'm not asking a question, so that's going to just be a poopy period. Can. Can you play with me? If a sentence starts with can, it's going to be a question mark. Do you like gum? Question. Do. Look at my jet blue or blue jet. My dog is brown. What? When a sentence starts with what, it is always a question. Did. Sentence starts with did. It is a question. I have a yellow cat. How. How is also a key word for a question. And I am 6 years old. So if it starts with one of the key words, then it needs to be a question mark. If I'm asking a question. Everything else is a period for a statement. Real words, silly words. So not a word. Cat, that's a real word. Up, tuck, no. Dig, yes. Bev, well, if it was a capital, it could be a short name, but it's not a capital, so Bev is not a real word. So if they're not a real word, you can draw a line on them to remind you to stick them over here. Zim, not a real word. Ham, yes. Ms, no. Jaws, no. Dog, yes. That, no. Bed, yes. Rug, yes. Real words, silly words. Singular and plural. Plural means they end with an S. Things that end with an S. Frog, shoes. There's my S. Coat, papers. Bus, cards. Doors. Cake. That ends with an S, it's plural. Goes over here. verbs. So you're going to look at the picture, read the words, and write the action word. An action word is a verb. I can see. What is something you can do? You can see. That's a verb. So you're going to write it here. The cat sits. Mom mops. We run fast. It hops a lot. Find the verb and write it over here. Short A, short O, short E, short U, short I, You're going to cut and paste the words to the correct post-it note. So you're going to read the words here and match them with their vowel. Okay, so types of nouns. Common nouns. They have a little letter at the beginning, lowercase. Proper nouns start with a big letter called a capital. And possessive nouns means it has a apostrophe S. Okay, lowercase, common. Proper nouns, remember our names are all proper nouns. The names of restaurants, the names of stores. And possessive, meaning that I own it. So you just look here. School, lowercase, goes here. Dogs, there's that. That's going to go over here. Kate, capital. That is a proper noun. It starts with a capital letter. Recess, lowercase. Boys, possessive. Capital, proper noun. Snow, just a regular old noun. Birds, possessive. London, that's the name of a city, capital. Winter, regular old noun. Man's. Paris, capital. Okay, capital is a proper noun. Plain nouns, possessive nouns. Cutting up contractions. So you're going to find the contraction down here and match it with its word. This is all subtraction. So we're going to put the small number in our head and count to the big one. So I say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. My answer is 9. So I'm going to write a 9 here. Okay, all of these. You can do this if you want. You don't have to. Next page. Tens and ones. How many? Not how much. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. So I'm going to write 4 tens. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hat, neck, and a big fat belly. Now squish them together and it makes 45. Okay? Not how much, how many. Okay? This is also subtraction, but this is vertical, going up and down instead of horizontal. So I do the same thing. 1 in my head, count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9. Oh, they both have a 9. 4, take away 4. I have 0. I don't need that one. 6, take away 0. That's an easy one. Okay? You know how to do that. Okay, I'm going to look up here. Color the L blends. Ol, full, goal, pole, coal. So if it's full, I'm going to color it green. If it's gull, I'm going to color it blue. If it's pole, I'm going to color it red. And if it's coal, I'm going to color it yellow. So the first part is I have to put in the missing. So this is glue, goal. So I'm going to write G-L with my pencil, and then I'm going to take my blue, just do sideways color like that. Okay? And then you're going to finish it. So we have flag, plane, cloud, plant, floss, fly, clock, gloves. All right, so we're going to do A, B, C order for each one of these. And all you're going to do is put the letter, the number. So I'm going to look at the first letter. Okay, this does not have the alphabet on here. If you want to write the alphabet, or you can write it on this page. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So I wrote it over here on the back of my other paper, and now I'm going to use it to help me with this. So remember, I'm looking at the first letter. So A is first, so he gets a number 1, and then an L is number 2, and red is number 3. That's all for this box. Now I go to the next box. I'm going to look at the S, the P, and the F. And I'm just going to number them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you do that for each box. Okay, we have a word bank down here at the bottom. You have to match the word with the picture. Okay, so this is growl, the dog growl. So you're going to find growl and you just copy it. G-R-O-W-L. These words all have ow in it. Clown, owl, crowd, down, cow, crown, plow. This is a snow plow. When it snowed on the ground, this guy pushes the snow so cars can go. And frown. They all have ow, O-W. It says ow. Okay, so we're going to read the sentence, and we're sorting and circling ow, this one is O and this is ow. So it's either going to say O or ow. So I have to read the sentence. The cowboy hat is brown. So cow, ow, ow, ow. So that's going to go over here. So I'm going to circle this and circle this. So if you want, you can look for the ones that have the OW in them before you read if you want. Okay, so the cowboy hat is brown. Cow, ow, ow, ow. That goes over here. Cow, boy. Brown, burr, ow, ow, ow. That one is also going to go over here. Okay, yellow, O, O, O. Long O says O, so I have to write yellow over here. Okay, so if it says O, it's on this side. If it says ow, it's on that side. So you're going to read the sentences and finish copying the words. Another word bank down here. We're going to match them with the picture. So we have toast, shadow, float, rainbow, cocoa. This one is coast, the water. The beach is called the coast. This is soak. The rag is in the bucket of water and it's soaking wet. Soak. Window and arrow. And the last page is practicing your reading. So you're going to just practice reading this once a day for the week. And that's the end of this week's packet.